To make your phone vibrates when receiving wireless emergency alert in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen, tap notification, and then tap advanced setting. Tap wireless emergency alert. Next, scroll down the screen, and then under alert preferences section, tap the gray on off switch next to vibration to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will vibrate when receiving wireless emergency alert. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.